South Korea's first ever interrogation of a sitting president lasted for more than 10 hours, but nothing has actually come out as impeached President Yoon reportedly refused to make any statements or allow the proceedings to be recorded on video. On Wednesday morning, the Corruption Investigation Office for High-Ranking Officials, also known as the CIO, detained Yoon 43 days after his surprise martial law bid and transferred him to its headquarters in Gwacheon. Yoon entered through the rear entrance of the building, avoiding members of the press. He was then escorted directly to the interrogation room without the so-called tea time, usually reserved for VIPs. During the interrogation, 3 CIO prosecutors took turns questioning Yoon based on a 200-page questionnaire. They focused on the circumstances surrounding the surprise declaration of martial law on December 3rd, the drafting and announcement of a public address, and the deployment of military and police forces to the National Assembly and other locations. However, throughout the questioning, Yoon remained silent, refusing to answer any of the specific questions. The interrogation ended at 9:40 p.m. after lasting for 10 hours and 40 minutes. Yoon was then taken to a detention center in Uwang, where he spent the night. The entrance to the detention center was crowded with reporters, YouTubers, and protesters. Investigators were initially set to begin a second day of questioning at 2 p.m. Thursday, but Yoon's legal team said he will not appear for further questioning. Yoon's attorney Yoon said that the president's health wasn't good, and he stated his position sufficiently on Wednesday, so there's no need for further questioning. Earlier on Wednesday, Yoon's legal team filed for a review of the legality of his detention with the Seoul Central District Court. Yoon had been consistently denying the legality of the CIO's probe, noting the agency is not technically authorized to investigate insurrection charges. The CIA investigators said Yoon's detention period of 48 hours has been temporarily put on hold as the court holds a session of reviewing the legality of his detainment. The court is scheduled to hold a session to review the legality of Yoon's detention at 5 p.m. Thursday.